All right, so this is still one-step equations, part 2. And part 2 has to deal with subtraction relationship. Oh, geez, let me spell that again. Okay, so what does that mean? This means that, example number 1, you got x minus, okay, x minus 2 equals 2, let's say 7. Or you can have it in the other side, 7 equals to x minus 2, okay? They're the same thing. It doesn't matter whether the x is on the left or the right. Again, what relationship is this? Well, this is a subtraction relationship, right? It's a subtraction relationship. So then what is the solution to a subtraction relationship? The solution to subtraction is addition. Right? X is going, hey, could you get rid of this guy, please? Like, no problem. What's your relationship? Oh, it's a subtraction relationship. All right, then I'm going to go ahead and bring addition. If I add, then I get to get a 0 again. And that's the goal, right? So that x is by itself. 2 plus 7 is 9. Right? And again, it doesn't make a difference that the x is on the right side. I'm going to do the same thing. Plus 2, you end up with the same thing. X equals to 9. Any questions? Right. Go ahead and let me know in the, through messaging app or a comment. Now, here is the thing with this, okay? Notice that I showed you only 2 positions or layouts, but in the other problem with addition, I showed you 4. So here is how I rewrite this. If the 2 was in the front and it's still a subtraction relationship, it would look like this. Negative 2 plus x equals to 7. This is still a subtraction relationship. Okay, I'm not prove it to you. That's a subtraction. A lot of people are like, wait, I see a plus in the middle. Isn't that an addition relationship? Because this is a negative number and x is a positive number in this case, per se, or at least there's a plus in the middle, this is a subtraction. For example, let's say that you have negative 2 plus 5. What's the answer? Positive 3. Well, what did you do to get that? You subtracted. Right? So in the same way, this is a subtraction relationship. Okay? Just like it was over here at the top, right? These are all exactly the same problem. It's just that I switched the position from x being in the front to x being in the back, the minus 2 in the back to minus 2 in the front. That's it. They just did this. But a lot of students make a mistake. They go, oh, this is an addition problem, so I'm going to go ahead and subtract. No. That does not give me 0, and that's the goal. That doesn't give me 0. So what do? Just like we did here, a subtraction. That means the solution is addition. So I'm going to add 2. So watch out for this type of layouts. Okay, don't fall for it. It's not a trick. This is still an addition solution problem, which is 9. Okay, same thing here. 7 equals to negative 2 plus x. This is still a subtraction problem. Therefore, I'm going to go ahead and get plus 2 plus 2. Please line up the equal sign. Okay, very important that you line up that equal sign. Okay, line it up. I end up with -2 plus 2 is 0. The x is, yay, by itself. Here again, 9. Then you go ahead and try it for yourself. Click the button, pause to try it out. And I'm going to throw in a negative on the other side as well to further try to trick you. Okay, so let's say you have x minus 3 equals to -10. -10 equals to x minus 3. -3 plus x equals to -10. -10 equals to -3 plus x. Again, all 4 of these problems are exactly the same. It's just that the layout is different. Okay, they're all still subtraction problem. Pause the video and try it out. Hoping that you already paused it and tried it out. Let's see. So again, if this is a subtraction problem, the solution is the opposite, which is addition. So go ahead and add 3. Now here's the thing, right? That's how I get 0. But over here, -10 plus 3 gives you -7. So make sure that you do the adding and subtracting of integers correctly. I'm going to go ahead and add 3 here. I'm going to add 3 there. And x equals to -7. Same thing. I'm going to go ahead and add 3 here, add 3 there. X equals to -7. Add 3 here, add 3 there. X equals to -7. Again, all 4 problems are exactly the same. I'm just moving around the x and the 3 in different positions so that you know that they're exactly the same. Okay. Let me just show you one more. Let's go with -5. Let's go with -10 plus x equals to 4. Okay. Or -4, let's say -4. Okay. Again, I'm looking at the x. I'm always focused on the x. I'm thinking, okay, what kind of relationship do they have? They have a subtraction relationship. Therefore, I'm going to add 10. All right. X equals to +6. Although we don't really need the positive, but go ahead and get those done. Okay, we'll see you on the next part.